James Hiertick with today's Forex market to watch for Wednesday, May 16th, 2012. A change in investor sentiment from risk on to risk off has triggered a sell-off in the British pound, leading to a breakout through this uptrending support line on a 1440-minute chart. Now this makes the British pound US dollar currency symbol GBP USD the Forex market to watch for Wednesday, May 16th. Now the overall quality of this chart pattern is an impressive 7 bars. The initial trend, which measures the strength of the trend prior to the chart pattern's formation, is the maximum 10 bars. Also, since this initial trend was down and the breakout is to the downside, Autochartist is looking for the trend change to be a continuation. Now we have enough equidistant tops and bottoms in this formation to warrant a slightly above average 6-bar uniformity rating. And finally, the clarity rating of 7 bars indicates that this is a relatively clean pattern with below average market noise. Now, according to the theory of technical analysis of Forex trends, the channel up chart pattern is a trending pattern. You can see that it stayed within these almost parallel support and resistance lines for quite some time, giving it a very solid formation. You can also see that this support line, after it was initiated, was tested twice, and so this breakout through this is a rather significant event. Now if downside momentum continues through this support line, then we should hit this target price at 157.08 over the near term. However, with a channel up chart pattern, which is a little different than a triangle pattern or channel, we tend to get a breakout, but sometimes it doesn't follow through right away. So the traders should be aware that there could be some jockeying for position or some hovering over this area before the trend resumes, because this is not typically a momentum pattern. The reason being, sometimes it takes a long time to break through a support point, and the distance traveled between resistance and support is rather long, and the market can become oversold. So the key today is to watch that follow through momentum. That's going to be the trigger as to whether this market is on path to reach this target or go through a mild retracement. Because of the distance between the breakout and this target price, there exists the possibility of a washout. So it's very difficult to ignore the short side at this time. So again, I want to emphasize that it's momentum, heavy volume, those types of things that are going to be determining whether this market hits this target over the near term. And these are the reasons why the British pound US dollar currency pair is the Forex market to watch for Wednesday, May 16th.